Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the Hazet 76-26 pliers wrench. These are, of course, made in Germany. You've got, looking on the back of the box here, you've got 20 locking positions. This is scale lasered here. And they have a nail holding function also, a little cutout in the back. We'll talk about that a little bit. And you can also buy the optional rubber jaws that go with it. So, how I got started in pliers wrenches is the first one I bought was this Knipex 180. It was not coated in the chrome coating that they put on the some of the other ones, and I tell you, press this button and it's just very catchy, not very easy to set, not smooth at all. So then I bought the same size, but I bought it with this coating, this chrome coating they put on it. And it's just so much smoother. I mean, it's not exceptionally smooth, but it's a lot smoother than the one without the coating. So I would say if you're going to get one, spring, these may be $8 or $10 more, spring to get the coated ones. Makes all the difference in the world. So I've got a video of the Hazet 2024 Advent calendar, and this pliers wrench came in that Advent. I didn't even know Hazet made pliers wrenches until I got this Advent calendar. And this one's a little bit different. Still got the chrome plating. This one, you press the button down here, this little lever just pops up where you don't have to press this button. This lever here you press down here. And I was shocked at how smooth this is. I mean, it's effortlessly, and it is a big difference. Look, I'm a big Knipex fan. I think they make some of the best pliers in the world. But there's a big difference in that and this. Sometimes this does get a little catchy, not near as much as this one, but you can just hear the difference in these two pliers. I mean, these things are just made on another level. So, what we're here to look at today is this pliers wrench. Actually, this one is a 260 millimeter, and this one is a 250. So this one, from the tip here, 10.5. From the tip here, 10.5. They look like they're both the same. Let me see. This one's, yeah, they're both the same. This one is 260. This is 250, but they're exactly the same. So, same size. This one, of course, this is a Knipex. It's a Knipex 8605 250. 2-inch opening here at the widest length. You can go 2 inches. Let's look at this one. You just press this button. Pretty smooth. This one, you press this lever. I mean, there is a big difference. You just, I can't believe the difference in these. As you can see, the difference in the heads here. Let me go down. You can see the difference in the heads. This one's got these little cutouts, machine cutouts. Still has these outside edges of the jaws are protruding a little bit out, just like these are. They both have the scale. This Knipex has the millimeter scale on this side, and you turn it over, it's got the Imperial or SAE scale on this side, which is pretty cool. This one does not have the SAE. I guess the Germans decided from Hazet that they didn't need the SAE. It doesn't matter to me because I'm not even looking at the scale. I'm going over here and putting on a bolt and getting to work with it. But just the fit and finish of these are awesome. Now I did get these on a Black Friday sale from KC Tool. So they were a lot cheaper than they normally are. These Hazets are on sale now at KC Tool for $112. I didn't pay that. I actually got them on Black Friday, and I think there was another 15% off of that. And these Knipex are around $90, depending upon what handle you get. I did get the soft grip handle. I like that. I like these handles. I like these handles. This is basically a two-piece handle. First they put your standard Hazet finish on the handles, and then they coat it in this black coating. And this black coating is, I wish you could feel it, because it's not slick, but it's not as textured as these typical handles from Knipex. They're not slick like these type of handles on Knipex. It's somewhere in between. I'll tell you, you get a good grip, it doesn't slip. I really like them. Man, that's a fine tool right there. I like both of these. I think they'll both, of course, get the job done. But you know what? Let's go see. Let's go see how they work. Pull down, you just let off the handle. As soon as you feel it where it catches again, you tighten up. Pull down, tighten up. That's how you get the ratcheting motion. Very nice plier. Okay, now the Hazet. Very nice. Very smooth. Once you get them set, you're good to go, but they got to be set right. Loosen it. Now we come in with the Knipex. That was easy to set. You just got to kind of get used to these wrenches. You'll get the feel of exactly where they need to go. I tell you, both of these work great. But to me, doesn't quite compare to the Joker. I love these things. Problem is, it takes up like, this is maybe two or three wrenches, where this one basically goes from nil to over 2 inches. Like these smaller ones here. Works great. On this one, I'd have to go get another wrench. That's the only problem with these Jokers. Hey, I like both of them. I mean, you know, they both work the same. The only difference is, this is just a little finer finish. You can tell they engineered this to a little bit better specifications. I mean, it's just so buttery smooth. It's unbelievable. Yeah, that one catches every little bit. It's a little catchy, not bad, but it catches a little bit. Where this one, there's no catch at all. I mean, I love this wrench. So this Hazet, I don't know how you say it. I say Hazet. Is there a difference? Yeah, there's a little bit of a difference. I mean, to me, it is definitely engineered and designed a little bit smoother than the Knipex. Does it work any different? No. After you get to working on it, you saw what I did to those bolts in there. They both operated the same. It's just like anything you buy. Do you want to try to buy the best feeling, the best finish, the smoothest, or do you just want to get the job done? Knipex gets the job done. And it's very, I love Knipex. Knipex are very high quality wrenches, but they're just not up to the same caliber as the Hazet, in my opinion. You may have a different opinion, but every Hazet tool I've got, especially these pliers wrenches, are just buttery smooth. And you can just tell the engineering on them is just unbelievable. So that's it. I'll see you next week.